The exhibits comprise of the statements of accounts of Abia State Government House and copies of bank drafts and checks used to move funds from the account. The witness also reiterated that from the document, the former governor was neither listed as a director or signatory to the account of Slug Nigeria Limited. Ejim also admitted that Mr. Kalu was not a signatory to the Government House account while he presided over the state's affairs between 1999 and 2007. The former governor, Orji Kalu, his director of finance and account, Mr. Odeogu, and Slug Nigeria Limited are standing trial before the court over an alleged 2.9 billion naira fraud. They have consistently denied the offense. And we round off with the reports that the EFCC has rearranged a senior advocate of Nigeria, Dele Belgore, and a former minister for national planning, Professor Abubakar Sulaiman, before Justice Rewan Aikawa for allegedly laundering the sum of 450 million naira. According to the Commission, the rearrangement on an amended charge was necessary to accommodate all evidence at the disposal of the EFCC. Both men again pleaded not guilty, and after taking the evidence of its second prosecution witness, the EFCC closed its case against both men. The Commission says it believes that it has established the allegations against them, but the defense team says it will file a no-case submission to show that the EFCC has not succeeded in linking the defendants with the alleged offences. Trial Judge Justice Rewan Aikawa has adjourned till January 16, 2018.
And just before we go, let's bring you some of the reactions trailing the provision of the Lagos traffic law, which allows the state government to take over the vehicle of any person convicted for driving against traffic. This is the premises of the Lagos Task Force, saddled with the enforcement of environmental and traffic laws. The mobile court is in session to determine the cases of persons who have been arrested for driving against traffic. At these proceedings, Channels Television witnessed the arraignment of 8 persons, 7 of whom pleaded not guilty. The court fixed their trial for December 7th, when the men of the task force are expected to present evidence against them. Of particular concern, however, is the one man who pleaded guilty. After reviewing his case, the magistrate pronounces that he is free to go, but his car will be forfeited to the state government. The man is unhappy and reluctant to speak on camera, but an officer of the task force says this is the law.
Section 7B of the road traffic law says when you drive, being the first offender, it attracts a 1 year imprisonment and forfeiture of the vehicle to the state. Driving against oncoming does not have any option, no option of fine.
The sentence has predictably generated some reactions. We spoke to a cross-section of motorists, passengers and commercial bus drivers to get the prevailing views.
One way now offense you.
Lagos is too busy. When you enter one way, you are putting other people's life in the risk. Anybody that is coming may not even think there will be a vehicle that will be passing through the one way. So it's a proper thing for Lagos State to do that.
Well, I think they want people to do the right thing, so they should try to orientate them, not just be harsh.
What I think is that they shouldn't have forfeited the car permanently, maybe temporary.
Even lawyers weighed in on the discussion.
The law might seem draconian, but if you look at it from the interest of the society, larger society, the law is good for orderliness in society.
There are a lot of one-ways now that government has designated, but some people don't even see the signs until it's too late. In a situation like that, I think the government should be a bit more lenient. Maybe they should confiscate his driver's license, or maybe you can hold his car for about a month or 2.
The government has, however, insisted that the law is well thought out, and that's why those arrested get an opportunity to present their case to the magistrate, who weighs the reasons for contravening the law before pronouncing sentence. And that's the program for today. Please share your views with us on any of the issues we discussed on the program. If you missed any part of it, you can find it in past episodes on our YouTube channel. I'm Shola Shayeli. Thank you for watching.